In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Elementor preview could not be loaded error in just 5 minutes. If you're using Elementor to build your WordPress site and you've encountered this issue, don't worry, it's a common problem with a straightforward solution. By following these steps, you'll be able to get your preview up and running smoothly again. First, we'll start by heading over to your WordPress website's login page. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Now, the dashboard is essentially your command center for everything you're going to do on WordPress, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this area. From the dashboard, our next step is to locate the settings option on the left-hand side menu. Go ahead and click on that. Navigating to the settings menu is a fundamental step because this is where you can adjust various configurations that could be affecting your Elementor preview. Under the settings, click on the general settings. It's important to know that this area allows you to customize basic settings like your site's title, tagline, and more. Although you won't need to change these for this particular issue, understanding the layout will help you in the future. Next, from the same settings menu, look for the permalinks option and click on it. Permalinks are crucial for your site's URL structure, and sometimes incorrect configurations here can affect how your content is displayed, including the Elementor preview. You'll notice different options like plain day and name, month and name, and so on. Generally, having this set to post name is preferred for SEO, but for troubleshooting purposes, we may need to change this temporarily. Once you're in the permalink settings, click on the permalink settings. Sometimes just resaving these settings without making any changes can resolve the issue. This step essentially forces WordPress to update its link structure, which can help in resolving various errors, including the one we're dealing with here. After you've saved your permalink settings, go back and try loading the Elementor preview once more. There's a good chance that just by completing these steps, the issue will have been resolved. However, if it persists, you may want to consider looking into other potential causes, such as conflicts with other plugins, or checking your server resources. These steps should only take a few minutes and are a quick and effective way to tackle the preview could not be loaded error. By taking control of these settings, you ensure that your WordPress and Elementor environment operates smoothly and effectively. Thanks for watching and good luck with your WordPress site.